Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can enter and exit the download mode on Samsung Galaxy M55 5G. The first thing that you need to do is use the USB cable, and you want to plug your Samsung Galaxy M55 5G into your computer. So use your PC or laptop for that. You should not use the charger, you should use computer. So once we plug it in, then what we need to do is simply power off our device. So let's go to the power menu over here and then power off. Once we power off, we need to press and hold both volume up and volume down buttons. So press and hold them. Keep holding them. Until you see this screen. Now over here we already can read the instructions, we have the warning message, but we can continue to the download mode by using volume up button. We can also reset our device by using volume down button, and then we can also show the barcode by using the side key or power button. And I'm gonna actually continue, so I'm gonna press volume up button in order to proceed. And now over here we have downloading. Now of course over here what you need to do, you can do that. And if you actually want to restart your device, if you want to exit the download mode now, you need to use a volume down key and power button key together for 7 seconds, or more. So press and hold them, the volume down button and the side key, press and hold them together until you turn off this screen. There we go. So now this screen turns black, and we should be able to restart our device, so we don't have to do anything. Now what we need to do is simply wait for the device to turn itself back on. It might take a couple of seconds, perhaps even more than 30 seconds, but eventually you should see the Samsung logo and you should turn your device back on. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!